In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your bank in QuickBooks Online. If you need to stop a bank account from syncing with QuickBooks, this is a very quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Unlinking a bank account is useful if you no longer use that account, if the connection is having issues, or if you simply want to prevent new transactions from importing automatically. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Accounting. This area is where you manage your financial accounts and review the connections tied to your books, so it's the right place to start. Once you're in Accounting, select Bank Transactions. This will take you to the page where your connected bank and credit card accounts appear, along with any downloaded transactions that are waiting to be reviewed or categorized. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct account before making any changes. Next, find the bank account that you want to unlink and click the pen icon on that account. The pen icon opens the account settings where you can make changes to the connection. If you have multiple accounts connected, double-check the account name so you don't disconnect the wrong one by mistake. After that, select Disconnect Account. This tells QuickBooks to stop pulling in new transactions from that bank connection. Keep in mind that disconnecting the account usually stops future imports, but it does not automatically delete transactions that have already been brought into QuickBooks. So if there are existing items in your records, they should remain there unless you remove them separately. And there you go. That's all it takes to unlink your bank account in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, before disconnecting an account, it's a good idea to review any pending transactions first so nothing important gets overlooked. That way your records stay clean and up to date. If needed, you can always reconnect the account later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and confidently unlink your bank in QuickBooks Online.